A returnee from Somalia, Salim Aboud Sultri, aka Survivor, who is armed and dangerous, is on the run, and police are looking for him.
The subject was believed to have been hiding at Mlango Wa Papa Mosque within Old Town Mombasa until recently, when he disappeared on learning of police operations to get him.
Survivor has been working closely with Ramadhan Rai Tsungu, aka Rambo, who has since disappeared as well.
The duo is suspected to be headed back to Somalia. While the police have increased vigilance, especially at the roadblocks, they are asking anyone with information on the whereabouts of the two to report to the nearest police station or call 999, 911 or 112.
The police are warning that the two are armed and dangerous.